Welcome back to Cook with Ms. Zhang. Today we're making a delicious bell pepper tender beef stir fry with crunchy celery, fresh green onion, and a savory sauce. We're using bottom round beef, a lean, flavorful cut that needs a little help to stay tender. I'll show you a natural way to prepare it and how to use baking soda properly without ruining the taste. Let's prepare the vegetables first. Start by slicing one bell pepper into medium strips, not too thin, so they stay crisp during cooking. Next, cut celery stalks diagonally for texture and crunch. Chop 2 green onions. Then, mince 4 cloves of garlic to bring in that classic stir-fry aroma. Now let's prepare the beef. We're using half pound of bottom round today. Round beef is lean and a bit tough, but still great when handled right. First, slice the beef against the grain. That means cutting across the direction the muscle fibers run. This shortens the fibers and gives the meat a natural tenderness. To make it even more tender, we'll use a tiny amount of baking soda, just 1/2 teaspoon per pound of beef. Mix it gently and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. This helps relax the muscle proteins and keeps the beef soft when it hits the heat. But here's the important part. Always rinse the beef thoroughly after it rests. If you skip the rinse, you'll end up with a soapy or chemical taste that ruins the dish. Rinsing keeps the flavor clean. Once rinsed, pat the beef dry with paper towels so it browns nicely in the pan. Now let's marinate the beef. 1½ tablespoons soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a splash of cook oil. Believe me, fresh meat only needs simple ingredients. No oyster sauce, no sugar please. Heat your wok or large skillet over high heat until it's smoking hot. Add a tablespoon of oil. Next, add the celery and bell peppers. Stir fry for about 60 to 90 seconds. You want the veggies blistered but still crunchy, not soft or soggy. Last, sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir fry the beef quickly in batches, about 1 to 2 minutes. Cook them until brown. Return the cooked veggies to the wok. Right at the end, sprinkle in the green onion tops for color and freshness. in the 1/2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And toss everything together until evenly coated. And that's it, a stir fry packed with color, crunch, and tender beef. To recap, start with proper prep. Cut the veggies first. Slice the beef against the grain to shorten fibers naturally. Use a small amount of baking soda to velvet the meat. But don't forget to rinse it off to avoid the soapy chemical taste. Thanks for watching. If you like the techniques that I showed in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and flavorful cooking videos.